morning, welcome back to Kanchanaburi. Just come to Wat Tham Suea, this big beautiful temple in the mountains. It's a bit of a gloomy day today. Hopefully this rain holds off because I've got a bit of riding to do. This is a really cool temple. Usually I'm not a big temple guy because once you see one in Thailand you've seen them all, but now and then there's one that's quite unique and you've got to come and visit, and this is one of them. You can see why Kanchanaburi is such a popular spot for local tourists out of Bangkok, because 2-hour drive if you're in a car, 3 hours on a bike, but once you get out here, you're just met with this beautiful nature. Just 2 hours from Bangkok.สวัสดีครับเอาคาปูชิโน่เย็นครับคาปูชิโน่คาปูเย็นนะค่ะ30 baht, iced cappuccino. Here's the second course of breakfast. Pork noodle soup. Ooh, steamy. Cold outside, a bit rainy, it's the perfect dish. So good. Alright, that was breakfast. So pork noodles and a coffee, 60 baht. They say Thailand's getting more expensive, but you can still get breakfast for less than $2. So I'm just coming out of Kanchanaburi town now, but it looks like I'm just driving straight towards a big storm. Fingers crossed. Here we go, we got the first breakdown of the day. God damn it. I was losing power. I thought I was just going up the hill and I was just losing a lot of power, but my whole back tire is gone. See, it's all worn out under there. I did say fingers crossed. I did say fingers crossed that I'd have no problems and no breakdowns, but what can you do, eh? Over here, I'm gonna go see if someone over there can help me and grab a drink and relax. And I'm literally 10-15 minutes away. I thought this place was a cafe, but there's a bunch of monks chanting over here. Not sure what kind of place this is. A lot of mosquitoes though. And since I'm going to be here for a while, I guess it's going to be the lunch spot. Let's see what they have. Fried rice, 65.75. Pad Thai, 75. Red curry, 150. Here we go, someone's calling me. Good news. Good news, it is just the inside tube, it's not the tire itself. So I'm just gonna fix the tube, should cost less than $5. Good stuff. Now for lunch. I'm gonna go with fried chicken with cashew nuts for 100 baht. It's really good. Just sort of like a sweet and sour fried chicken with some peppers or capsicum, onions and cashew nuts. Delicious. Here we go, she's all fixed. So luckily it's just the inside tube, but the tire is still bald. I'm gonna have to get a new one, even on the front here. She's bald as anything. Raining again. Yet another unplanned pit stop. And look at this one. I'm 3 minutes away. 3 minutes. And it decides to pour with rain. Having good luck this trip. Finally, the sun's back out again. What's this guy doing? He's going backwards on the highway. The sun's out. A few minutes from the waterfall, finally. It's taken me like 3 hours to get here on a 1 hour drive. Good news. No 300 baht entrance fee. Tourist attractions and national parks in Thailand, for the foreigners, always 10 times, 20 times the price. It's ridiculous. Erawan Falls just around the corner. 20 baht for locals, 300 for a foreigner. Even if I work here and pay tax, I've still got to pay a ridiculous amount just to go see a natural wonder. But luckily this one's free. This here is Sai Yok Noi. This is the smaller waterfall. Sai Yok Yai is up in the national park. But this one's free, and it's got a great swimming hole here. Big pool at the bottom here. Not as much water as I thought it was going to be after all this rain. I'm going to attempt to climb up these stairs. I'm not sure if it's a sticky waterfall like the ones in Chiang Mai. This is nice, man. Especially on a hot day like this. There's a cave in here. Let's check this one out. Ah, it's so sticky, I'm slipping. Ah. Alright, gotta find another way down. How cool is this? It's all like stalactites on the top. All these rock formations. This is a cool waterfall. Come check it out, Sai Yok Noi. That was well worth it. Sai Yok Noi waterfall. There's two types of waterfalls I like. Waterfalls you can swim in, and waterfalls where you don't have to trek through the rainforest and walk 45 minutes to get to. This one's only 100 meters from the road. It's the end of the line of the Thai-Burma Railway. From here it's just been ripped up. They've got this old Japanese locomotive here. Neither side here of this crevice would have been a big cut-in done by the prisoners of war to continue on the train. But it all got ripped up and bombed. That was the end of that. Look at this guy, surely he's overloaded. My god. So I've just checked in. I'm going to relax for like 5 or 10 minutes and then I'm going to go straight back out and fix my tire because the guys up the road are almost closed and I really need to get this fixed before the long trip tomorrow. Travel life, eh? Here you go, fit the new tire. Should take about 15-20 minutes, he said. Working fast. Hopefully that's the last repair I've got to make for this trip. But 450 baht, so 15 US, that's not too bad. Brand new tyre. It's a lot better than the back one. You're next. That was a long day. Like I said, probably at the start of the day, I was like, oh, we've just got a 1 hour ride up into the national park and that's it. But it ended up being about 4 hours in total with, you know, pretty much 2 breakdowns essentially. What is it? It's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Today was definitely a big journey. So stay tuned for tomorrow because I'm going to be going to 2 more national parks further up towards the Myanmar border, and fingers crossed I can make it all the way to the final border town before Myanmar. But again, I've got no idea what these roads are going to be like. I don't know how my bike's going to handle the next few days. So fingers crossed I can make it.